Most people see 36,000 euros and think overnight success. But before this screenshot existed, there was 6 months of bureaucracy, account warnings, and a moment where my student almost quit. This is the real story of Ahmad, but this is not one of those fake success stories where someone just shows a screenshot and says, "Look how much money I made." I want to show you what happened before this screenshot existed. The real deal, guys. The paperwork, the delays, the mistakes, the Amazon issues, the German bureaucracy, and health problems, and why most people would have quit long before reaching this point. When this student started, he had no business registration, no VAT number, no Amazon account, no products. In fact, no guarantee this would work. So let's go back to where it all started. I believe it was in March of 2024. I received this email from Ahmad. He had been watching my YouTube videos and was interested in starting Amazon Germany. Now, what stood out to me was not just that he wanted mentorship. What stood out was the fact that he had already done some research and he wanted structure. He wanted to understand the process, the timeline, the cost, and what would actually be involved. Because Amazon Germany is not just opening an account and listing products, guys. There is a process. And if you don't understand the process, you can easily waste time, money, and energy doing things in the wrong order. Okay. Most people think Amazon starts with finding products, but it doesn't work that way. Amazon Germany starts with foundation, business registration, tax registration, VAT registration, LUCID, account setup and optimization, bookkeeping, compliance, and most importantly, understanding how the German system works. When Ahmad saw the actual process, he still wanted to continue. That was a good sign because many people disappear the moment they realize there is real work involved. And this is one of the biggest mistakes I see beginners make. They jump straight into product research before understanding the German system. And that is exactly why I also created this free Amazon Germany beginner guide. It shows you the correct order to start so you don't waste time doing things randomly. The guide covers business registration, VAT registration, LUCID registration, OSS registration, common beginner mistakes to avoid. You can download it using the link in the description or in the pinned comment. But going back to Ahmad, the first obstacle came before we even started properly. I remember Ahmad needed approval from his employer before registering his side business. A lot of people would have stopped here. They would say, maybe next year, maybe later, maybe this is too complicated. But Ahmad stayed committed. And this is important because when you are trying to build a real business, problems will come before the money comes. I can't stress that enough, guys. So after we applied for business tax and VAT, Ahmad was a little bit worried that he had not heard back from the Finanzamt for over 1 month. He wanted to contact them and ask what was the holdup. But this is where I told him to continue to be patient because there had been students who had waited 3 months before getting their business tax numbers and VAT numbers. Anyways, eventually he received his tax number and VAT number after only 2 months of waiting. I say only 2 months as if 2 months is not long enough. Anyways, if you ever try to start a business in Germany, you know how important this stage is. And if you skip the steps, you may create problems that come back when Amazon, Finanzamt, or compliance requirements catch up with you. I can't stress that enough. This is why I always tell beginners, don't only think about products. Think about the business behind the product. Next came LUCID registration. We scaled through that easily. Then configuring and validating the Amazon seller account. At this stage, he still had not made one sale, but he was building the foundation. And this is where many beginners get frustrated because they want to see sales immediately. But before sales come, the system has to be ready. Amazon Germany is not just about products. I keep stressing that. There are compliance requirements such as LUCID, VAT, even bookkeeping, account setup. And again, this is why I have the free Amazon Germany beginner guide. It is important that you download it. It helps you understand what needs to be done before you start spending money on inventory. And you need to pay attention to the Amazon configuration part. This is where you configure the your Amazon Seller Central account. One wrong click here can put you in a terrible situation. I've seen that happen. Okay. So you got to be careful there, very careful. Then we finally moved into product research. This is where most beginners make expensive mistakes. They buy products based on emotion. They see something they like and assume customers will also like it. But that is not product research. We looked at numbers, demand, competition, supplier cost, profitability, Amazon fees, and the list goes on and on. And also whether the product actually made sense. This stage takes patience. And to be honest, this is where frustration can start all over again because almost every product will look competitive, risky, or difficult at first. But the goal is not to find a perfect product. The goal is to find a realistic opportunity and understand how the strategy of selling on Amazon works. And that is what we worked on. Then came the moment every Amazon seller remembers. The first sale. It was not huge. It was not thousands of euros, but psychologically, it changed everything because suddenly Amazon became real. Before that moment, everything is theory. Business registration is theory. VAT is theory. Product research is theory. But when the first order comes in, you realize this can actually work. And then came his first payout. Again, not millions, not thousands, but proof that the system was moving. Proof that the work was not wasted. Okay. At this point, Ahmad was finally seeing the fruit of his labor. The system was working, but on Amazon, just when things get smooth, the platform usually throws a curveball, which is exactly what happened next. Then Amazon did what Amazon always does. It created another challenge. His account received a deactivation warning, which had something to do with a setting in his Swedish Amazon accounts. Many beginners panic when they see messages like this. They think my account is finished. Amazon is shutting me down. What did I do wrong? But most of the time, you simply need to slow down, check what Amazon is asking, and respond properly. Anyways, we eventually fixed it and continued. That is the reality of Amazon. You solve one problem, then another one appears. The difference between people who continue and people who quit is not that one group has no problems. No, 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 no. The difference is that one group learns how to solve the problems. That's just the only difference, okay? Then something happened that had nothing to do with Amazon. Life happened. I think it was around February of 2025. Ahmad became or fell sick. For months, he could not focus on the business. Momentum stopped, and this is where most people disappear forever. They start something, life hits them, they pause, and they never return. But eventually, he came back. He resumed. And that is one of the biggest lessons in this story. Sometimes success is not about moving fast. Sometimes success is simply about not quitting. Let me repeat that. Sometimes success is simply about not quitting, guys. Now, let's fast forward from June 2025 until today. His Amazon account generated over 36,000 euros in product sales, guys. Now, let me be very clear. This is sales, not profit. But it still shows something important. He went from zero to building a real Amazon Germany business. This did not happen overnight. No, 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 no. It was not luck. It was not a magic product. It was not some secret shortcut. It was consistent work. Simple as that. Step by step, obstacle by obstacle, problem by problem. So what can you learn from Ahmad's journey? Lesson number one, don't underestimate the setup process. Before the sales, there was paperwork. Before the sales, there was VAT. Before the sales, there was LUCID. And before the sales, there was Amazon account setup. Lesson number two. Most people quit during the boring part. Success is boring. When you're willing to do the boring part, then you will be successful. They quit before the business becomes real. Lesson number three. Product research is not about finding a perfect product. It's about finding a realistic opportunity and knowing how to evaluate it. Okay. Lesson number four. Every Amazon seller faces problems. Okay. The question is not whether problems will come. The question is whether you will solve them or simply quit. If you're watching this and you are still in the beginning phase, don't only focus on the 36,000 euros screenshot, okay? Focus on the process that created it. Business registration, VAT, LUCID, Amazon setup, product research, mistakes, delays, problems, more problems, 99 problems, but most importantly, consistency. This is why I created the free Amazon Germany beginner guide. It shows you the correct order to start so you don't waste time doing things randomly or jumping into products before your foundation is ready. If you're trying to start Amazon Germany and feeling overwhelmed by VAT registration, LUCID, Amazon verification, product research, or compliance, just understand that you're not alone. Ahmad started exactly where many beginners are today. He had no business, he had no sales, no Amazon account, and he eventually built something real. So before you spend money on inventory, download my free Amazon Germany beginner guide using the link in the description or in the pinned comments. And comment below, tell me what stage you are currently at. Are you at your business registration or VAT or Amazon setup or product research, or are you already selling? I want to know, okay? So simply comment, because I read every comment. And your question might become my next video. As usual, it's your boy Ricky Ross. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Out.